Hi everyone, it's George from Fermented Kitchen, and today we're going to be baking our sourdough granary loaf. It's very similar to our normal white sourdough sandwich loaf, but this is going to have some roasted seeds as well as barley malt to give it that signature malty taste. So let's just get into it. "315 grams of water, 428 grams of strong white bread flour, equal measures of seeds and wholemeal flour, so that's 23 grams of linseeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and wholemeal bread flour, 9 grams of salt, 46 grams of active starter, and optionally a half a teaspoon of dark barley powder. Mix everything and toast on a medium heat. You want everything to be lightly toasted. Make sure you don't burn anything. Salt, add powder, It's been 6 hours. This is how much it has grown. You can see the bubbles. We can now shape it and put it in a tin. For reference, the room temperature has been about 20 to 22 degrees. I'm going to be using this tin, which measures about 11 centimeters on 20 and a half on 11. In order to stop the bread from sticking, I'm going to line it with vegetable oil and wholemeal flour. Just make it into a bowl and then leave it to rest for a side for 30 minutes. Dust it lightly, flip it over, and we'll do a simple shape. Make it into a square. Fold this side, then the other side, and then take the thinner side and then roll it. Pull it inwards. Then we'll grab our tin. Place it in there. We're going to cover this and wait until the dough completely expands. And in terms of the height, we're looking the dough to be about 2.5 centimeters from the edge, something like that. 4 hours later, this is what it looks like. It's about 2.5 centimeters to the top of the dough, to the edge. Of course, if you're living in a hot country, then this can happen as quickly as 1 hour, but just have to keep an eye on it. We'll now move this to the fridge for overnight final proof before we bake it tomorrow morning. Okay, we're just going to add some seeds on top, so we will sprinkle it with water so the seeds stick to it. And then sprinkle them as you please. Finally, we're going to sprinkle some flour on top, just for decoration, and score it. Finally, cover it with foil. After 10 minutes at 250 degrees, we're going to turn it down to 200. 10 minutes later, we're going to remove the foil. Put it back in. We'll leave it in there for at least 20 minutes, but we'll have a look. Just to get it more brown, we're going to turn up the temperature to 250 degrees maximum, 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, that looks good to me. We can take it out and put it on a cooling rack.